Aloha and mahalo. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This episode, I'm going to make a tropical Tony in honor of Cocktail Tony. Also, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake, so come have a chair at Chappie's Tiki Bar. Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie, this is my bar. Wait a second, that's Lake Okanagan. Mookie will be along shortly for Appies with Chappie by the lake, this lake here. So today I got a special shout out to Cocktail Tony. Check out Cocktail Tony on his YouTube channel, Cocktail Tony. Alright, so in honor of Cocktail Tony, I'm going to create a drink in his honor. I call it a Tropical Tony. So I have a hurricane glass full of ice, 3 ounces of guava nectar, mango nectar. Mango's nice and sweet, just like Tony. Alright, so we'll go 3 ounces of mango nectar. And for the booze, we'll do a little white rum. I know Tony likes his rum. A little bit of Cointreau. Now, a Bahama Mama has Kahlua or a coffee liqueur in it, so I'll go for the Bahama Mama flair with the I have some rum and coffee liqueur, just a splash, and I have some, to go with the mango nectar, I have some mango Malibu. Now I think Cocktail Tony had a little bit of controversy where he used the coconut Malibu and he called it coconut rum, and somebody made a comment on his channel saying Malibu coconut rum is not coconut rum. It's a mango Malibu. You can call it whatever you want. Just don't leave me any nasty comments. Gonna put some grenadine in to give it sort of like the tequila sunrise effect. I have a nice umbrella with maraschino cherries, and that's a Tropical Tony. That's for you, Cocktail Tony. Alright, coming up next, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake. Mookie's going to join us. I'm going to make a Long Island iced tea. And we got some nice Spanakopita. So stay tuned for that. Appies with Chappie by the lake. Welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappie by the lake. Mookie's joined us for appetizers today. So I made up some Spanakopita. It's basically a Greek pastry. It's spinach and feta wrapped in phyllo dough. It's just store-bought, but we're out at the lake, so it doesn't matter. And I got some nice store-bought tzatziki sauce, which is basically Greek yogurt. It usually has dill and some cucumber in it. First off, I'm going to make a Long Island iced tea. So I have a nice tall glass of ice, and we're going to go little vodka, little gin, and I have some top shelf rum, now most Long Island iced tea recipes call for tequila, but I had an unfortunate incident in high school involving a bottle of tequila and a 7-Eleven burger. So right now we just have the gin, vodka, and rum. That's going to be a stiffy. And we got some lime juice. And we're going to finish it off with your favorite cola. And that's a Long Island iced tea. Smooth. Alright, so we're going to check into these Spanakopita. So I got my tzatziki sauce, there you have it. Another successful Appies with Chappie by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe. If you've already subscribed, hit that notification bell. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.